Is it necessary to remove the puppet line? Let's start with the initial exercise we'll begin practicing. This is the forced smile. Take it here. Lift it slightly without showing your teeth. Be careful. We extend the duration to 5 seconds to ensure a thorough stretch. Then we let go, and this should be repeated 10 to 15 times a day, plus another exercise. Come with me and use your knuckles to tap the ear, repeating the action 30 times consecutively. Lastly, using our fingers to mobilize, we make our way back to the corner, gently lowering the strings of the puppet, and if desired, gradually lifting them up for an added element. Make sure to watch this comprehensive video that covers all the different methods for eliminating puppet lines. Once daily, for a period of 4 to 6 weeks, and continuing until full recovery and then some. Some people claim you possess extra fat under your chin, that it hangs a bit from your skin. Alright, allow me to demonstrate a wonderful workout. Start by giving some kisses while observing my technique. Is that clear to you? To the side, and the other side, to the side, and to the other side, toning it well, the entire platysma area, which we will also work on with the Joker's smile. You know? Look how well it works. And lastly, we will also do a nodular massage with a bit of oil, but be careful with the Adam's apple. Got that? And now we go up to move the fluids there as well, and blood flow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, which you should practice for a duration of 4 to 5 weeks, and as always, wishing you a speedy recovery and to healing and beyond. It appears that you may be feeling a little down since your eyelids are starting to droop. Don't worry, I have a solution. Stay with me, and I'll show you the top 3 exercises for this issue. First, observe carefully what I'm about to demonstrate. I gently raise my eyelids. I stretch there and lower them, holding for 5 seconds while keeping the tension, and then I relax. I'll do another exercise, alright? Notice that I place my other 2 fingers at the ends of my eyebrows, alright? I'm going to do owl eyes, which is what this exercise is called. I'll hold it for 5 seconds, then release and repeat it 10 times. Finally, here's a relaxation exercise to ease tension. Take a moment to unwind. Is that okay? Move your head 30 times to one side, then massage from the tear duct to stimulate blood flow. These are the best exercises to get rid of droopy eyelids. Join me and let's go to healing and beyond. First point, we are going to work 2 of stomach or 4 clarities. From the middle of the eye, we go down, 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 behind the bone, just below the bone. There, we are going to start working. We press a little bit, we look for the point, and 3 times we massage. When are we going to work it? Morning and evening, always twice. Second point, we are going to work one of the gallbladder or master pupil, okay? We continue in the pupil, right where the bone ends. You will find some valley and an area here. We will extend, alright? Let's see how we do by stretching a bit. Similarly, repeat this 30 times, right? In the 3rd stitch, attach 2 of the bladders, and then we continue in the grimal, moving upwards to meet the eyebrow precisely at this point. We will move up and away from here. Repeat the same action 30 times. Take a breath, let go, and open up. 4th and last point of the lithium facial with digitopuncture, 20G. 1 finger from here, from the nose flaps. Here we press the same and then outward, 30 times, always, always, morning and evening.